In today's times, you will see so many different types of milk which is available in the dairy section of different supermarkets and different grocery stores. All these milks are known to differ in their fat content. But as consumers, it becomes very overwhelming for us to understand which milk should we buy or which milk should we purchase. It becomes difficult for us to understand what will be the best milk for us and to take decision accordingly. So to make things easier for you, I will talk about all these different milks in today's video and help you make a better decision for yourself. And so let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome again to Lifestyle Speaks channel. My name is Dr. Surangna and I make videos related to healthy living, nutritious foods and inner peace. If you're still not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you do not miss any updates from Lifestyle Speaks. When you shop for dairy, the primary products that you will find available in the market these days are whole or full fat milk, reduced fat or low fat milk, and fat-free or skim milk. And all these milks are known to differ in their fat content. So fat content in these milk are measured as a percentage of total liquid by weight. Whole or full fat milk contains 3.25% milk fat, whereas low fat milk contains 1% milk fat and skim milk contains less than 0.5% milk fat or contains almost no fat. So if you may have noticed, in whole and full fat milk, fat content is not at all stripped off, due to which that milk are slightly thick in nature. Whereas if you observe the reduced fat or low fat milk and skim milk, in these milks the fat content is removed out. That is why these milks are slightly thinner as compared to the whole milk or full fat milk. Now if you compare the calorie and nutritional content of these three milks in one cup, you will see they are as follows. So now we know the difference between the different milk varieties in terms of nutritional content and calorie content. Now it is very important to understand which one is better for our health. So the low fat and skim milk, they undergo a bit of processing to reduce fat in them. But what happens during the processing is that they lose some of their nutrients. But what the companies do is that they fortify these milk with different vitamins. So they add different vitamins to these milk, due to which both the low fat and skim milk have higher vitamin content as compared to your whole milk or full fat milk. And as we have seen, they have fewer calories. These milks also have reduced saturated fat, which is good because saturated fat is known to increase bad cholesterol in our body and also increase a risk of diseases. Both the low fat and skim milk provide similar amounts of protein and calcium like the full fat milk, but with fewer calories. But the problem with both these milks is that because they have reduced fat and calorie content, they are not as satiating as a whole milk, due to which you may want to drink more of them to keep yourself full. That can lead to unexpected calories in your diet. The whole milk or full fat milk, they are higher in calories and saturated fats, due to which many of us try avoid drinking this milk and we switch to either low fat milk variety or the skim milk variety. But if you drink a glass of milk daily, then drinking a glass of whole milk or full fat milk is not as bad as we think it to be. Because according to many different studies, it has been found that consuming high fat dairy products like the whole milk or full fat milk can actually prevent weight gain, because they keep us full for a longer time period because of the high fat content. According to a review which was published by the National Library of Medicines, 11 out of 16 studies actually found a correlation between consuming high-fat dairy products and lower risk of obesity. Also, according to another study, an increased intake of high-fat dairy products reduces the risk of developing abdominal obesity, which is the accumulation of fat around our waistline. Whereas low intake of high-fat dairy products increases the risk of abdominal obesity, specifically in men. So we can see that there is no evidence which suggests that if we consume whole milk or full fat milk in place of low fat or skim milk, it will lead to weight gain or it will cause any harm to our body. Also, according to different studies, it has been found that drinking whole milk or full fat milk can actually provide a lot of health benefits to our body, because they reduce the risk of metabolic syndrome, which are a group of risk factors like insulin resistance, obesity, high triglyceride levels, and low HDL or good cholesterol levels, which can contribute to diabetes and heart diseases. And according to few studies, it has been found that adults with a higher intake of high-fat dairy products have a lower risk of developing metabolic syndrome as compared to adults who have a lower intake of high-fat dairy products. The biggest pro of whole or full-fat milk is that it contains very high amounts of healthy fats, which is known as the omega-3 fatty acids, which is a very important nutrient that helps to reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart diseases, and it provides many other health benefits to our body. And the next thing is that the high fat content in the whole milk or the full fat milk helps in the absorption of vitamin D from the milk. So even if the low fat milk and skim milk have higher vitamin D content, it does not get absorbed in our body because vitamin D is fat soluble. And our body can absorb vitamin D best only in the presence of fats. So that is why the whole milk is better than your low fat milk and skim milk. Vitamin D is actually a very important nutrient for our immune function, bone health, and overall health. Lastly, in some milk brands, there is more added sugar content in your low-fat milk and skim milk to make up for the reduced fat content, which is a very big problem and a big no-no. So, if you are someone who avoids drinking whole milk or full-fat milk, or you have heard from someone that drinking full-fat milk can lead to weight gain and can make you fat, then let me tell you that science does not support this fact. Drinking a glass of whole milk or full-fat milk daily can actually help you to manage your weight and reduce the risk of developing metabolic syndrome and chronic diseases. In some cases, skim milk may be a better choice, but in most of the cases, whole milk provides more advantages and nutritional benefits than your low fat or skim milk. So that's it for today. I really hope you found today's video useful and now you're able to understand the difference between the different milk varieties which are available in the different grocery stores and supermarkets, and you're able to understand which one is better and which one provides better health benefits. And if you found this video informational and useful, don't forget to give this video a like. Love your life and make it charismatic. See you again next time. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep smiling, and keep watching Lifestyle Speaks.